Welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're diving into the sleek revival of a true classic, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This legendary coupe returns with its signature style, but sharper, cleaner, and more elegant than ever. The 2025 Karmann Ghia keeps the low-slung profile, curvy fenders, and that unmistakable fastback silhouette, but now it features full LED lighting, flush aerodynamic lines, and premium chrome detailing that screams modern sophistication with a vintage soul. Underneath the sculpted hood, you have two powertrain choices. The standard model comes with a refined 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing around 220 horsepower, paired with a smooth 7-speed DSG transmission. And for the purists and futurists alike, there's also a fully electric version with instant torque and over 300 miles of range, perfect for silent cruising with classic charm. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a work of art. A minimalistic dashboard with retro-inspired circular vents, digital gauges, and a floating infotainment screen blends old-school cues with cutting-edge tech. Leather-trimmed bucket seats, a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel, and brushed metal accents complete the upscale interior feel. This Reborn icon also packs modern safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, making it as smart as it is stylish. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car. It's a statement, blending timeless design with the demands of the future. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more classic revivals and modern marvels. This is Car Trend, where automotive legends live on.